Hello everyone, hope you're doing well in your life and your preparation is going well too. So today I'm sharing a video of a day in aspirant's life and आज एक ऐसा दिन है ना when I don't feel like studying. I feel like कि सब छोड़ दें, बस सो जाएं, गेम खेलें या फिर मूवीज़ देख लें, बट दिस इज़ द ओनली डे जब आपको आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी याद रखनी है, आपको अपना ड्रीम याद रखना है। जब ये इन बोरिंग डेज़ में भी, जब ये डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग डेज़ में भी आप सब कुछ भूल कर फिर आप पढ़ने निकल जाओ, तो आप समझना कि आप अपने ड्रीम के एक कदम और नज़दीक आ गए हो। और आज सुबह सुबह आई वेंट फॉर माई लाइब्रेरी बिकॉज टुडे ओनली आई रेड द नोटिस अबाउट BPSC दैट BPSC का पेपर 13th ऑफ दिस मंथ है एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी नर्वस फॉर दैट क्योंकि BPSC का ये मेरा पहला अटैम्प्ट है एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू गिव माई बेस्ट. After few hours, I went for my lunch. And this is what we got in our lunch. Chawal dal, aloo bhujia. After having lunch, I went to my library again, which is just few meters away from my hostel. As I have mentioned before that the BPSC paper is going to be held on 13th of this month. So I will be focusing on that for these 10 days. And I started revising all those important topics which are very very important for BPSC. And after this I revised some of the topic from Bihar special book by PW only IS and did some objective type question from Bihar Samagri book which I bought few days before by KBC Nano. And after all that I decided to do some test paper by Khan sir, and by mistake instead of full length I bought geography test paper. But this was also helpful as I don't like geography, but I have to do it anyhow because this is very important for the question. So I started doing some geography question of BPSC test series, and after completing two test series, one by PW and another by Khan sir, I went to my room and completed the remaining revision from my hostel. And after having dinner, I'll go for sleep. We'll meet you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep studying. Take care. Bye.